Hi, it's Lou Brown with another of my 101 ways for real estate investors like you to win, close more deals, and accelerate your cash flow. Today's tip is number 7. Use signs to direct incoming seller leads to your investor websites or your telephone system. Now, I'll tell you that signs have been amazing in my career. And when I got started in this business, there was a lot of competition. And let me tell you, people used to put a lot of signs on telephone poles. If you've ever seen signs on telephone poles, it would say, I buy houses, I buy houses, I buy houses. And then it'd say, I buy houses, I buy houses, I buy houses. And then it'd say, I buy houses, I buy houses, I buy. I threatened to get a sign that says, me too, and my telephone number. And I tell you what, it is so wonderful because that does work. Now, in your area, you may have some problems with that. I call them the sign Nazis. The sign Nazis may come after you and say, don't do that anymore. Well, know where you put your signs. That's an important tip as well. So that if you ever have to remove your signs because the city is not so crazy about what you did, at least you know where to go to get those and you won't be fined. They usually give you a warning first, and once you get your warning, okay, move on to another of my many. I've got over 200 different ways to find deals. So that's just one of them. To find out more and to see some of our signs that we use, you can go to streetsmartwiz.com/signwiz, SIGNWIZ, and take a look at the layouts for the signs that we've got for you. I hope that this has been valuable for you today. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I hope you will use it. I know it will make a difference in your life and in your profits. I'd love to share more of my profitable free tips with you. How can you get more? Well, depending on where you're seeing this, please like it, please love it, please comment on it, and subscribe. Share this with your network too. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Yeah, baby.